Want to create a stunning New Year photo collage in Canva? Watch this video till the end. Open Canva and I will choose social media. I will use Instagram post size. Please remember to add the name of your project and then go to element and type film on the graphic. Scroll down. I need this one. Okay, and then I will duplicate and place the duplicate here. Now go back to element, close it and choose frame and use this basic shape a square. Reduce the size and place it here and choose the corner rounding. Let's add about 3, enter. Now duplicate it and paste it here. Duplicate again until all this square fill with this frame. So you can fill this frame with photos. Now I will click the last frame and I will change it to a color. This brown. And then I will select them all and group them. Reduce the size. And then I will add a text. I will type here too. And I will change the font to a thick font like Archivo Black. I will place it here. Increase the size. Place in the center of this brown box. I will change the color of the text of the number to white. And then I will group them. I will rotate like this. And I will duplicate, rotate, place it here. Duplicate and I will rotate a little, place it here. And duplicate, rotate, and I'll place it here. Okay, and then I'll select them all and place in the center. Now we'll change the number. 0, this one will be 6. And also we can change the color of this box. I will change it to red. Okay, and then go to element and back and then type grainy on the photos. I will choose this one and then set as background and then close it. I will type Happy New Year and I will go to the graphics, see all. I will choose a one-line Happy New Year text, or you can just type it with this text tool. Okay, I will choose this one. Okay, and then of course you can add your photo. Just add to these frames, all frames. All right, and when you're finished filling all this frame with photos, just go to share, download as PNG and click download and then share to your social media or to your friend, your group or anything. So this is the tutorial. I hope it helps you. See you next video and have fun with Canva.